This week's fragrance is from Penhaligon'S and it is Changing Constance. It's from their Portraits collection where each fragrance has a character and it creates this storyline with all these different characters. It's actually really cool and I love when fragrances have cool stories behind them. So this one is Changing Constance and this is the character here on top, which I love the fact that all of the tops have animals to represent each character. It just makes it really unique and looks really pretty. Visuals aside, let's talk about the actual fragrance. So this one is a gourmand. It's beautiful. It's so well mixed that it's so hard once it comes into the dry down to pull apart each note. There's a strong salted caramel note. Initially, when you first spray it, you get a blast of cardamom, which I really don't like eating cardamom, but smelling cardamom I really love, especially when it's done like this, where it is a warm, sweet cardamom that kind of gives it a little kick. And speaking of kicks, this also has a pimento pepper note, which gives it a hint of spice that pairs so beautifully with a slight tobacco note in here and vanilla. But in the dry down, what you really get from here is salted caramel, vanilla, and a hint of spice. It is warm, it is cozy, it is alluring. The only thing I will say about this is the longevity is low. So definitely spray this on your clothes. Take it with you to spray. I mean, I don't know that I would take the whole bottle with you on the go. You totally could. This would definitely make a statement out in public, but put it into like a little atomizer, spray it and reapply it through the day. It's so well balanced and well rounded and works with so many other fragrances. If this fragrance was a person, she is someone who is bold, strong, maybe loud, but not in an obnoxious way. She has a good time. She can be the life of the party, but she's also very caring and passionate. I feel like she knows how to cook. I don't know if that's the cardamom in here that makes me feel that way. She has levels, like what you see when you're out with her, when you meet her the first time is like a version of her, but then when you really get to know her, there's a lot more depth, there's a lot more soul to her, and that's kind of what this reminds me of. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you've tried any of the Penhaligon'S portrait scents and also what your favorite gourmand at the moment is. I would love to try out some of your suggestions, but until my next video, thank you as always so much for tuning in and I'll catch you soon. Bye!